Look, that clip went flying. Get in here, get in here, get in here. I'm Lacey E, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to bring to y'all this wash day because I've been wanting to try these products out for a long time. And you know, it's been all over Instagram and your girl had to try it out and tell y'all what my personal opinions are of this brand. But before I let y'all know what brand I'm talking about, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will not miss an upload. And y'all, go ahead and share this with your friends and family because we're trying to get to that good old 1K. Thank you. I have not washed my hair for about 2 to 3 weeks. Y'all know how I do. I'm so bad at washing my hair. But I've decided that every Thursday is going to be my wash day so that I can have a fresh twist out for the weekend, okay? So I need y'all to hold me accountable when I say that I'm going to do it so that y'all get some more content, okay? But my hair is so dirty. It's itching. It's tangled. I've been wearing my hair in a ponytail for about a week now. And y'all, look, have y'all hair been so dirty that it just like feels like little needles in your head? That's what my hair feels like. It's tangled, and I wanted to go ahead and pre-poo. Today we are using Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangling Prepoo. I'm so excited because y'all know this is like the cream of the crop when it comes to detangling prepoos, and your girl had to try it out for y'all and see what it's working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over these instructions because I did wet my hair because there was some buildup of product. But it says, before cleansing, distribute evenly on wet or dry hair and scalp. Leave on for 5 minutes and use fingers or combs to detangle. For extremely dry hair, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes to detangle. Rinse well with warm water and follow up with the Nature's Little Secret shampoo of your choice. So I'm excited because I feel like this is like a pre-treatment. So I'm gonna be able to detangle my hair, and my hair is about to get some extra goodness before I even go in there and wash it. So my hair is already wet. Let's get straight into this detangling, baby, because you know this little kinky hair can get a little too kinky, okay? And we need to get this wash day started. Ooh, this thing was kind of hard to open. So here you go as far as the consistency. Oh man, this is gonna have some slip. And it has like a minty smell to it. But this right here is nice and like gooey and slippery. I'm really excited to try this out because, you know, a good pre-poo has some slip to it, okay? But we're gonna go ahead and start with this back section. And y'all, I hate having wet hair on me. Oh my goodness, I hate it ever since I was a kid. It's something about having wet hair. Okay, so we about to break this into another section. And I think I'm gonna get a little, that clip went flying. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this back section. And I am going to take this much. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is so slimy. Okay, so I'm taking this much, y'all. And I'm just, oh my goodness, y'all. This just slid right on my hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if you have used the, what is that, the African Pride one, coconut thing? This is, I would say, have way more slip than that. For me, because my hair is wet, and it may be different if your hair is dry, but this has so much slip, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my shower comb. Oh man. Oh yeah, this feels good. Listen, this might turn me into pre-poo for real, for real. Y'all know I always talking about my pre-poo, but this right here feels so good, and I like the fact that it has all of these benefits. And you know what, I haven't even gone over all the benefits yet. I'm gonna have to go over the benefits with y'all, but look at this, y'all. Ooh. Okay, so I don't have my Felicia brush right now. I don't know where that thing at. It's lost somewhere, but we're gonna go in with this Demon. Yo, this feels so good. And it is just gliding through my hair. Gliding. with no issues. This stuff gonna have me just brushing my hair for no reason. Okay? Yes, come through, nature's little secret. Come through, nature's little secret. This is a secret that I'm about to tell everybody, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead. Yes, some curls is popping. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish detangling my hair. Y'all can go ahead and watch, but let me know in the comments down below if you use nature's little secret prepoo, okay? Cause so far, baby girl, this thing is doing what it do, and I'm like super duper impressed because look how big this jar is. This is a big old jar, and it is 12 ounces. And when I tell you nature's little secret, all of their products are reasonably priced. You're not spending like $30, $35 on a shampoo. Like they're all around like $15. So I'll put the price up above or down below, but you guys, this is like really good so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish pre-pooling my hair, and then we're gonna go ahead and go into the wash day. I'll be back. What I can appreciate about this pre-poo is that you're getting 12 ounces of product, not 8 ounces. You get 12 ounces of great quality, high quality ingredients. It's not cheap ingredients, so you're getting, you know, your money's worth. But you know what I'm saying, if you're trying to save some coins, go ahead and use my code Lacey15, and you know, you can save you some, because at the end of the day, you're supporting a black owned business. You're supporting a woman-owned business, and really she is shaking up the natural hair community with such an amazing pre-poo, because it's a pre-poo that helps detangle, but it's also conditioning your hair, so it's a win-win. Look at these curls, y'all. Do y'all see that? Yes, come through pre-poo. I'm so excited, y'all. It feels so good. Like this feel like this could be like a really good like gel. Like the slip is out of this world, and it's so easy to detangle with it. This is giving me hope, like maybe I can do a wash and go, because it's giving me wash and go vibes, y'all. Maybe I can do that. Okay, the reason I use this pre-poo on myself and my kids and nothing else is because it's not your normal pre-poo. Like, they got some benefits, okay? Like the Fenugreek. That is like one of my favorite herbs because it's an antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory, which helps my super dry scalp. It stops irritation. And guess what? It even helps your acne. So this is a win for me. And also it conditions your hair. I'm able to detangle and condition my hair and get that extra shine, which is one of the benefits of fenugreek seeds. Don't mind me just applying this to my scalp because, like I said, it's dry. But y'all, I know I said I was gonna take y'all with my wash day, and that ain't gonna happen today because this video was starting to be super duper long, and I did not want to shortchange you guys because I was trying to squeeze in a wash and a style in one video. So I've decided to break things up and, you know, put them in separate videos. But I also have a surprise for you guys in one of my videos, something that I've been meaning to share with you guys for a while, something that's been working for me, that's been working for my kids' hair, because y'all know I do suffer from heat damage. So please, please, please turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss an upload, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm so excited to share with y'all something that I do in my household, okay? And let's take a minute to appreciate the quality of this video, because now you're able to see them curls in full formation, okay? So let's look at the video quality, let's look at that background quality, and let me know what y'all think. But here I am just showing you guys the final look of all the pre-poo in my hair. Yes, your girl strands is super thick, it's a lot. Pray for me, okay? We done, y'all, and baby, the tangles were there, okay? And this prepoo was definitely, you know, put up to the challenge, okay? Because these tangles don't be playing. And my scalp is on fire right now, y'all. Like, I have been scratching the whole time. I'm gonna see y'all in the shower because we about to go ahead and rinse this out and go ahead and get it with the remaining of the wash day with Nature's Little Secret. I'll be back. And I lied. So I will not see y'all in, later on this video. I will see you in a whole new video where I will wash and I will style my hair. And then y'all know I got a little surprise for y'all. But I wish you and your family nothing but love, health, and happiness. And please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and help me reach that 1K. And then I'll have another surprise for y'all. A giveaway, maybe?